Hey, what is up guys? I'm back with another vlog. I'm at the foot of Table Mountain, about to go on a hike on the pipe track trail. I've actually never done this trail. This is my very first time, and I'm alone. So yeah, let's see how that goes guys. I'm really excited. The weather is a little bit overcast, well, a lot bit overcast, and it should start raining a little bit later, but I'm gonna try and be back before the rain starts. Okay guys, let's get it. This weather is starting to switch up. I don't know if you guys can see behind me. It's starting to get a little bit crazy. I'm just gonna try and see if I can push for another kilometer. If it gets worse, I'll have to go back home. Yeah, it's drizzling right now, so I'm just gonna store my camera and maybe try and use my GoPro. Yeah guys, so far it's been pretty easy. It's just very rough terrain, a lot of rocks, so you have to be really careful when hiking up this trail. Yeah guys, let me try and push for another kilometer because it seems like it's a pretty long trail, eh? I'll show you guys. Yeah, let's see how it goes later. Hey guys, I'm on my way back. I've covered about 6 kilometers. I did 3.5 kilometers and then I'm gonna do 3.5 back. So I stopped by this little spot here where I'm gonna try and fly the drone. I'm a little bit skeptical though because there's quite a few trees, but I think I can get some nice footage. Yeah, this trail is really long guys. It's a never-ending trail. It goes all the way to Noordhoek. So I just decided to come back after 3.5 kilometers because yeah, I thought there was like some sort of destination, but it seems like it goes on and on and on and on. So yeah guys, let me try and fly this drone and yeah, let's see how that goes. That was really fun. Yeah, even though there's like a whole bunch of trees around here, I was able to get as far as I possibly could. But yeah guys, that was really fun. So I'm now gonna head back to my car, and then I'm gonna try and go to the other side of Table Mountain, maybe try and fly the drone that side as well, and then I'll probably try and get something to eat after that. Yeah guys, I'll catch y'all later.